So yeah, just been taking pieces of siding and matches from underneath, and then using paneling, like automotive paneling adhesive, and then I just sort of use clamps to dry. It's a slow process. Cut out match, and so here we have a finished one. Still see them, but they still look okay. Love the door there too. Bigger patch there because it was actually ripped on both sides of the door. So we did that. As you notice, I have started to paint it. I'll show you the front here. It's actually starting to come together on the outside. So I think today I'm just going to cut these out with the Dremel. That'll be it for today because it's a cold, crappy day. So I'll show you what I've been using here to fill in the holes, and you can see that. Look at that. There you go. It's just an epoxy steel, the page. Pick it up in most hardware stores. Just to fill in those small holes, some of the bonds, and I really push it in so it has some sort of backing to it, and then cover it. Otherwise, if I put it on thin and sand it, it's just gonna open up the hole again. So mix this up and I'll show you. Just want to get to the end of it to use. I need a little bit more. Last a while. I've had this one, I don't know, good 3 months. As long as you put the top back on. That's why she's getting a little cranky. I just keep a bit of the leftover metalwork that I use as a mixing tray, and then a little bit I cut off to use as the applicator to spread it. Okay, so I've primed and sanded most of the top edge with the red. I'm going to spray that, get that done today hopefully, and tomorrow hopefully we hit the middle piece with the silver, and mixed up in the windows back in and making a watertight on this side again. So yeah, let's get painting. Okay, so I did get yesterday this painted. I mean, it was hellishly windy, but I did need to get it painted and done, but we managed to get about 3 coats on the end. Today we'll just clean up the rest of it. We'll put the windows back in, power points and so on, and weather stripping, and that should be this side done, and the door actually, that in as well. So let's get into it. Okay, so with the most weather stripping done now, I'm just gonna add these like the 110 volt, the new 110 outlet, and I'm gonna add these in. So 12 volt cigarette lighter and 5 volt 2.1 amp USB port. Outside the weatherproof, I've already cut the hole out there. We've got a new cover, GFCI cover, and that holds up a bit more fresher, new look. And then we went with the Leamington GFCI. This one's actually classed as weather resistant, so I mean it helps even though you got the cover into GFCI. It's just a heavier duty GFCI outlet, so get those installed. All the stuff can be found on Amazon, fairly reasonably priced and that. So yeah, get that installed and see what I've got left on that side to do, and go from there. There you go. So here's our USB plugs and our 10s. So good, a little modern. Okay, next I might start just putting some of this weather stripping in. See if I can get a lot of that done today. That'll be caught up on the side. So I finally got all the weather stripping in. I'm glad I didn't video because it was painful. Towards the end I worked out the actual seal itself in hot water and makes it way easier. But no, came out looking real good. Let's see if we can get a better angle here. Two sides down, two sides to go. That's going to be real watertight. I still have to get the trim at the top there. That takes the awning. This takes an older canvas awning. Someone tried to put a modern one on and flatten the ends right out, so it's kind of wrecked the trim on there. Doesn't really work because you have to go over the window and that, so not to worry about the awning anyway. But I have to order that piece. That, but no, good day's work, full day. So I'm going to continue this week to work on the back. Don't think I need a video and then put it on. You pretty much see what we're doing here. So yeah, tune in next time and see what we're up to. Subscribe, like, notifications. We'll catch you next time.